Hello and welcome to our website. We will guide you on how to use our platform and place an order. Let's get started. Step 1. Register and log in. Please register by entering the required information at Register Now. Registration involves 2 input steps. First, please answer the questions regarding personal information. Next, please answer questions regarding export. Please check the contents and click Submit button. Registration is now complete. Please enter your email address and password to log in. The password will be sent to you via email. Step 2. Browse and choose. Explore our products and choose what you need. On the Details page, you can check details such as the condition, storage location, and price of the agricultural equipment. You can also watch videos of agricultural equipment. You may also add the items you like to your list by clicking Add to Cart button. Step 3. Placing in order. If you find a perfect items, go ahead and place your order. You can check your order by clicking Cart button. Please mention your price that you have in your mind in the comments section. We do not accept price negotiations after ordering. Please review your order and comments. If everything is correct, please proceed with the submission. Now your order is complete. If the storage location is different, additional domestic transportation costs will be incurred. Feel free to contact us by email or SMS for any question concerning the charges. Step 4. Approval and hold system. After the order is confirmed, you will be notified whether the tractor has been added to your hold list or not. Order placement does not confirm sales until the contents of one container are finalized. We recommend exporting in containers at 20 feet or 40 feet. For a 20 feet container, we can load about 6 to 8 tractors in the 10 to 25 horsepower range. For a 40 feet container, we can load about 15 to 18 tractors in the 10 to 25 horsepower range. Please complete to your container within 2 weeks. You are not required to complete orders for a container at once, but hold items may be cancelled if they exceed 2 weeks. Besides, if we do not receive a reply, if shipment is postponed due to customer circumstances, or if multiple members place orders for the same item, we reserve the right to cancel the sale. If multiple members place orders for the same item, we will decide buyer based on the desired price, storage location, shipping schedule, and priority. New arrivals are updated at least twice a week, about 50 to 100 tractors per week. If you share information on the products you wish to purchase, we will purchase and list them on a priority basis. After we provide you with a pro forma invoice, an advance payment is required once you've had a chance to review and confirm the details. Step 5. The condition of machines. Although we have checked the operation of the product before selling it, please understand that there may be wear and tear on the product and that the condition of the product may have changed when you receive it. Step 6. Shipment arrangement. Once your container is full, we'll start arranging a shipment for you, either FOB or CIF. Please contact sales team in advance for required information during importation. Step 7. Questions and assistance. If you have any other questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We are here to help. Here is the contact information for inquiries. And that's it. Thank you for using our website. We look forward to serve you.